Audit and Assurance lecture number 1. Topic is Introduction to Standards. This is chapter number 15, that is standards. These standards are issued by Auditing and Assurance Standard Board of India under the authority of the Council of Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. These standards are collectively known as engagement standards and quality control standards. There are two divisions between the standards. Engagement standards can be further divided into four parts: standards on auditing, standards on review engagements, standard on assurance engagements, and standards on related service. Quality control standards, only one: standards on quality control. The short forms are already given in the brackets. Now, apart from shortcuts, the standard board has also issued some codes, that is coding, for each type of standards. For example, standards on auditing 100 to 899. These are the codes which will be used for standards on auditing. Standards on quality control, code 1 to 99. Review engagement standards 2000 to 2699. Assurance engagement standards 3000 to 3699. And standards on related service 4000 to 4699. It is advisable to remember these codes also along with the standards. Now first we will study standards on auditing. The codes are 100 to 899. This is the list of standards on auditing. First is introductory matters, which are divided into 100 to 199 codes. General principles and responsibilities are covered in 200 to 299. Risk assessment is covered from 300 to 499. Audit evidence from 500 to 599. Using work of others 600 to 699. Audit reporting 700 to 799, and specialized areas 800 to 899. So all these matters are divided into different segments and respective codes are mentioned here. Now we will see the standards on auditing 100 to 899 in further details. Audit and review of historical financial information 100 to 199 deals with introductory matters. 200 to 299 deals with the general principles and responsibility. So these are the further bifurcation of these. SA 200 overall objectives, 210 terms of audit, 220 quality control aspects, 230 documentations, 240 misstatement, 250 law and regulations, 260 those charged with governance, TCWG. This is the shortcut which we will use. 265 weakness in IC, means internal control. Weakness in the internal control means 265. 299 joint auditors. After this we will see 300 to 499, that is risk assessment and responses to assessed risk. So further classification of this is 300 related to planning, 315 risk assessment, 320 materiality, 330 responses, 402 service organization, 450 evaluation of misstatement. After that 500 to 599 relates to audit evidence. These are further classified as follows: 500 evidence, 501 specific items, 505 external confirmations, 510 relates with the initial engagement opening balances, 520 analytical procedure, 530 sampling, 540 estimates, 550 relates to related parties, 560 subsequent events, 570 going concern, 580 written representations. After that, 600 to 699 using the work of others, further classified as 600 other auditor, 610 internal auditor, and 620 relate to expert. 700 to 799 relates to audit conclusions and reporting. The subclassification of this: 700 relate to audit report, 705 modification, 706 EOM and OM, 710 comparative, 720 other informations. After that, 800 to 899 specialized areas. Subclassification are 800 special purpose framework, 805 single financial statement, 810 summary financial statement. All these codes you are supposed to remember. So which matter is related to which code you should remember.